Richard Westall was born January 2, 1765, died December 4, 1836. He was an English painter and illustrator of portraits, historical and literary events, best known for his portraits of Byron. He was also Queen Victoria's drawing master. His works, many in watercolour, caused great interest in the late years of the 18th century, when he was considered by his chief patron Richard Payne Knight to be an outstanding artist of the picturesque. He painted works in a neoclassical style for John Boydell's Shakespeare Gallery and for Henry Fuseli's Milton Gallery. His painting of John Milton and his daughters hangs in Sir John Soane's museum in London. A number of scenes in which Westall depicts events in the life of Horatio Nelson are at the National Maritime Museum.